how hard it is for this guy to push the snow in that big vehicle. Yeah, I see you watching. Are you watching it? Are you watching it? Yeah. Yeah. It's really difficult. We have one of those right now, right? That's kind of cool. So today is November 19th, day after the big storm. Whoa, look at that. Truck. I mean, this big, huge vehicle looks like it's having a hard time. You okay? Are you okay? Don't you want to watch the truck?
Yeah.
Don't you want to watch the truck? Look at the big truck, Wency. Okay. Whoa. I love you. I love you. You getting tired? Oh. Look at the big truck.
Yeah.
Look what he's doing. He's getting all the snow. Look at that.
Yeah.
He's getting all the snow and putting it on a big hill in a big pile. I want to watch it. Don't you want to watch?